Hi everyone. So this week we have our first test for the college algebra class. So under Learning Resources folder, we have the test review and the review solutions to this review posted. So it's extremely important that students do and spend time practicing the test review questions, and when you're done, please compare your answers to the solutions, and this should be done before you take the actual exam. The actual test is posted under this week's assignments, and before I go over the rules, let me talk about the discussion board. For this week 3 discussion board, please answer me 2 questions. The first question is, what is the last math course you have completed prior to this semester? So this could be a math course that you have completed in high school or Bloomfield College or a different college. Second question is, how many hours did you spend on last week's homework? And again, this discussion board is due by this Sunday, 11:59 p.m. So the actual test number 1, please read them carefully, and you have to let me know if you have any questions before opening and trying the test. If you have any technical difficulties during the test, you have to email me immediately to let me know. Before taking the test, make sure you completed the test review, and if you need any further help, please do email me so I can help you clear up your understanding. You have full 70 minutes to complete the test, which consists of 16 questions. A timer will appear in the test window, and at the end of the given time, the test will save and close automatically. Again, once you open the test, you have to complete it. You can't close the test and come back to it at a later time. And you may use your graphing calculator, and this test must be completed by 11:59 p.m. on Sunday.